Class, this is Mrs. McKenna. I am over at Central Office today for some training just in the morning. So unfortunately, I cannot be there, but I wanted to show you what it is that you should be doing during your class time today. So all of you should have your summaries and reflections for each of your 3 articles done. Your annotations should be done. You should have your individual aspect done. However, if you are not done with those, after you've completed the task that you're going to do today, I will ask that you use the rest of the class period for work time to get those things done. I will be back in the building for third and fourth block and for homeroom. So if you want to swing by and find me so you can show me anything you've completed, you can. So to begin today, the first thing that I need to see is I need you guys to go to the website and go to the portal. If you guys log into Schoology, you're going to go to the Schoology place that has our course, and so you'll choose 2 white, and you'll see that all the same stuff is on the homepage it has been. You're going to go down to your nonfiction technology and society project, and then again scroll down, and you're going to go to this presentation handout example. Now, what I would suggest is going ahead and opening up this document. After you've downloaded it, open it up, and you're going to actually use this as the template for the presentation handout. Remember, I told you that each of you will have something to hand out to the guests that come to watch your presentations, and this is what that's going to look like. If you would please go ahead and type in the names of each of your group members at the top of the page and the essential question that your group decided on. This would be the question that's similar to how has technology positively impacted communication in the 21st century? Or how has technology affected entertainment in the 21st century? Or whatever it is that your group came up with. Then you're going to list the subtopics that each of the members of your group had for their portion of research. If there's a 5th person in your group, go ahead and add a subtopic number 5 for the instances of the example I just did these. So I would actually go in, you can delete out the subtopic where it says subtopic number 1, and you can put in technology, and I know one of the groups is doing like smart cars. Okay. And then you're going to type in the name of each of the 3 articles that you found and the author. So this is truly just typing in the article. So if my article is called Smart Cars and the Future, that's the title of the article by Jen Smith, and that's the author. You're going to do that for each of the 3 articles. Then on the bottom part of the page, you're going to put the bibliographical source information in MLA format. Now, the way that I would suggest to do that would be to go to your website, go to Google or whatever it is, and go to EasyBib. If you go to easybib.com, this is going to generate your MLA formatted citations for you. I'm going to open up another tab, and I'm going to search technology and smart cars. So I haven't actually researched this, but I want you guys to have this information. So technology and smart cars. So here's an article, Smart Car Tech encouraged in US. If this is one of the articles that you chose, here you go. Here's your title. It's by Nidra Pickler. That's the information that I said is going to go up here at the top, article and author, okay? But what you're going to do at the bottom portion is you're going to take this information and put it into EasyBib. So the easiest way to do that is just copy and paste the website into your EasyBib creation, click Cite It, and you'll see that for this article, quite a bit of the information popped up. You didn't need to do anything for your source manually, but say you did. You could go in and manually insert information. So for instance, maybe they didn't tell us who the author was. You could go back, okay, here's the author, and then if this was empty, you'd just type her name in. So you're good to go. Your citation is created, and then all you have to do is take your citation and copy and paste it. It's copied now. I'm going to go back to my document, take out the thing that says article number 1, and I'm going to paste it into this document so that we have a copy of everyone's information. Now, this is not just one person's bibliography. There's a space for 12, or in the case of there being 5 in your group, 15. So everyone should be compiling this on one document, meaning that you may want to take this template and paste it into Google Docs so that you guys can all be working on it at the same time to create this one cohesive thing. Okay? I've also created a little bit of an example down here so that you guys have the information that you need to have in your example. Now, once you've completed this presentation handout sample, you're going to go back into Schoology, and one person, the lion of your group, is going to place it into this completed presentation handout. You're going to click on that, and you guys will have a place over here that says submit, and you're going to open up the submission box and put the document into that on behalf of your group. The lion will submit it on behalf of the group. Once that is finished, you are free to work on whatever you are missing from this project. So if that's your summaries and reflections, work on those. If it's your individual work on that. But you need to be getting those things done, because as the time continues to approach, it's more and more important that we are keeping up with deadlines. I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you next week.